So this is a super underrated outbound hack. And this is what agencies are using to book shit ton of meetings. We have agencies booking hundreds of meetings per month by sending these personalized landing pages and videos. And as you can see, all of these landing pages changes the logo to the person I'm reaching out to up here. So that's my logo, love, right? That their logo. It changes here, replicate, stack optimizes. So company names, website, right? A snapshot of their website, personalized thumbnails at scale. And here is an actual personalized thumbnail for this person I'm reaching out to. And this is dynamic for every single lead, right? And you've seen this before with dynamic landing pages. But the thing is that the landing pages doesn't necessarily convert, right? It's super cool, but it's mainly there to get attention. Works exactly the same as personalized first lines, for example, right? It's there to get their attention, right? It's a pattern interrupt. What actually converts is the video, right? And with Vinna, you can also stitch personalized videos to the landing pages, to these custom landing pages, right? So now you get their attention with all of these variables here that you have, with their logo, for example, and you convert the attention into meetings with your sales pitch. And the same thing applies here. Scrolling on the background here doesn't convert into booked meetings. What converts into booked meetings is the actual sales pitch. So that's another thing you can do in Vinna. You can start the video by scrolling on their website, right? Or LinkedIn profile without even connecting any session cookies, so you don't risk getting banned. And then it moves over to a pre-recorded sales pitch, right? And this is what actually converts people into booked meeting. It's the sales asset right here. Right? Same thing that you want people to watch your, for example, YouTube videos or your sales assets on your website, right? The problem is when they're not personalized, people tend to not watch the full thing, right? They click on it, if they even click on it, right? The click-through rate is super low. But when it's personalized, and with all of these like personalized assets here, people watch the videos. And we've seen this, like on 2-minute videos, and I can show you, this video is almost 2 minutes long. 74. Now I've messed around with the analytics here, but 74.96% watch time. You can see the conversion, views 238 call to action clicks. And the only call to action button I have on this page is book meeting, right? It works insanely well, and more people should try this. And I haven't actually made a full-on Vinna pitch in a while. So I wanted to drop this here because honestly, I see so much buzz lately around these account-based landing pages and Webflow and Clay integration. But Vinna literally does this for you at scale. And if we look at our pricing, it's way cheaper. You can generate 40,000 of these pages and videos, right? All of this is 1 credit, by the way. 1 credit. You can generate 40,000 of these for $197. Or 12,000 for $97. On top of that, you can add unlimited, or not unlimited, sorry, now I'm capping, 4 custom domains or 20 custom domains, and rotate domains so you avoid deliverability issues. So, yeah, just if this sounds interesting and if you want to give it a go, then DM me. I'll give you a demo, and cheers.